Namaste guys. Today I came to Fine Forest in Kodaikanal. We met few college students, explained about the campaign, then explored the place. Then I got to meet few more people on the other side of the forest. I also told them about the campaign and they were very supportive. And later I met few more people who were medical college students. They have great idea about mental health, how it can affect and what are the causes. So we had little chat about that. Later, we took pictures and a video as well. Meet you in the next part.